Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very fun video for you guys. At least I'm really excited about it. I got this huge package in the mail a couple of days ago, and it is from a makeup company called SISTAR Cosmetics. They sent me a whole bunch of goodies, a whole bunch of makeup, and I'm actually really excited to try all of this out. I mean, I don't even know why I do this. I know that I'm clumsy, and yet I do things like this. As you guys can see, I got a whole bunch of stuff to try out today. So I just wanted to do like a little chit chat, or not really too much chit chat because I don't want the video to be too long, but mostly just talk through and just sit down and do my makeup. I want to do something super natural and glamorous, basically, like a little glowy, a little bronzy. It's really warm outside right now, so I'm starting to feel super spring. And I'm just really excited about the spring. I'm excited for warm weather. I'm excited for all of that. So yeah, with that being said, I'm just going to dig in and just try out these products and let you guys know what I think about every one of them. Okay, so the first thing that I will be trying out is the Brow Perfecting Pencil, and this is in the color Charcoal. I actually got to choose the colors. This looks like it might be a little too dark. I actually got to choose the colors myself, so I hope I did a good job with that. Okay, this looks like it's good. Yeah. Okay, perfect. And then there's a spoolie in the back, which is exactly what I need right now. I should have done my eyebrows. I mean, cleaned up my eyebrows a little bit because this is a little crazy. Okay, so I'm going to shape my eyebrows with concealer, and I actually got 3 different shades of concealer. I'm not sure which one would be best. Oh, wait, there's like a piece of tape on here. I think I'm going to take this bronze color because this looks like it's either like 1 shade lighter than my skin tone or exactly my skin tone color. So let me just open this part real quick. Ooh, that's a nice applicator. Didn't expect that at all. So I'm just going to, oh yeah, this is good. This is really like natural highlight kind of color. Perfect. I think I might even use this to, what's it called, to highlight my face today. I'm gonna do the eyes first, so let's use a palette. I got this Sun-Kissed eyeshadow palette, and oh, okay, wait, little paper. Yeah, and this is what this is what the colors look like, just very neutral and natural. So that's exactly what we're going for today. So I'm going to start off by taking this color right here, and then I'm going to take this color. I think those two would be really nice, and then darken it up just a tiny bit with this one, not too much. Oh, and I might just use this, yeah, I'm going to use this in my brow bone. Okay, just going to do the tiniest bit, not too much. I'm going to use this Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner. I'm just going to create like a small little line because I'm going to apply lashes. Okay, small little lines. Let's see if I chose a mascara. Oh, I did. This is their Glam Up Mega Curling Mascara. This is what it looks like. I'm going to see. This is the wand. Do you guys see that? Let me hold it right here so you guys can see. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the difference. that I see until now. I don't know if it's a huge, okay, there's definitely a difference. Look at it from yes, looks nice. I almost want to keep it like this, but I don't want to do too natural. I really want to do like glam natural, so I'm going to put on lashes. I'm going to quickly apply some lashes off camera. Okay, lashes are on. So now we are going to move on to the face. Let me just move things here a little bit. I noticed that I chose the Skin Smoothing Primer, which I really like. Like, I always love a good primer. Oh wait, I love primers. I used to feel like back in the day, I used to feel like I didn't need primers, but now I can really feel a difference when I really moisturize my face before applying makeup. So that's why I decided to get this one. My skin just hasn't been acting right when it comes to having enough moisture in it. So I really wanted to get something to, ooh, silicone-y. Oh, and it smells really good. Okay, now I really like the way that my skin feels with this. This is going straight into my everyday makeup bag, okay? Because it feels really nice. Okay, so you guys know I don't apply foundation. And now that I think about it, I should have done this first. I did get 3 different foundation shades. I got tan, chocolate chip, and bronze. It would have been a great idea to check the shades before filming. And now I just don't really know. Like, if you look at my hands and my face, 2 different shades, so I can't test it on my hands. We're just gonna have to test a little bit on the face. It's just, that's how it's just gonna have to be. Wait, let me just put a little bit on here. Oh, that looks good, right? That literally looks like my skin color. Wait. Oh, it's just a little off, but not bad. Okay, so that's bronze. Let me see. That's tan. Chocolate chip does look like a shade that would be nice to contour with. So how I always do foundation whenever I do foundation is just like dab it onto my face. Okay, looks good. I am kind of doubting if this is the right shade. Okay, no, this is good. I think this is just a tiny bit too dark. Yeah, it's just a little too dark. I'm just going to drag it down. Okay, but that's okay. We'll fix it. We're going to take the concealer again, the HD concealer, with a really cute applicator. I'm seriously loving the applicator, but also the smell of the foundation. It gives me like MAC vibes for some reason. I love it. I'm gonna take some of the honey beige color. Now I'm going to take the honey beige because I want it to be just a little bit brighter. Like, if you guys look at me right now, this just looks super everyday, and I don't want it to be too much everyday. Like, I want a little bit of brightness going on. So I'm just gonna add some brightness right here. I might even be able to just use that shade, you know. Yeah. Okay, this is going to be really bright, and I love it. I love every bit of it. I think I might just put this, like these 2, in my everyday bag too, because they make me feel, or at least just applying it, it's just, you know, very satisfying. Like, that's one of the main reasons why I do the whole foundation, not the foundation, the contouring thing, because I just like the applying process, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna use this bronze and shade dual stick. Let's see. Okay, it gives like a little bit of shading. What color is this? Bronze and Visage Sculptor. Okay. No, it doesn't do too much. Like, if you guys can tell, I don't know if you can tell, it does make it look like there's something going on, but just not how I would like it. So I'm going to actually take the foundation, chocolate dip, the chocolate dip foundation, and I'm going to put some on my hand, not too much, and then dab with my finger, and then just apply this here. Yeah, it's also really not dark enough though. Okay, not dark enough either, but I think it would do exactly what I need it to do. The products smell really good. I like that. I like it when what's it called? When makeup smells good. Yes, I love the concealer. I'm really excited about using this concealer more often. Like, look at how still natural but still bright under eye looks. Okay, I love the concealer. I think the concealer is like my favorite thing right now. Besides the, I mean, next to the primer thingy that I used, the concealer is my absolute favorite. So, what's next? Powder. Powder is next. This is a translucent powder. Oh, it has a little sponge thingy. Cute. I might just use that. That's cute. Okay. So I'm not the biggest fan of translucent powders. I like banana powders. So I don't know why exactly I chose this one. I'm not sure if they have a banana powder on their website. Why can I not open this? So what I did the last time, there's still a lot of product on here. So what I did the last time when doing my makeup was actually just set my under eyes first and then after start baking, and I was completely obsessed with the way that my under eyes turned out. So if you guys really want to try that, try it out. I'm actually not, ooh, look, it looks a little bit brighter too. I'm not sure if that's just me, but it looks like it looks a little bit brighter. Anyways, I'm not going to do that today because I actually don't have the time to do that today. But I'll show you guys like in another video what that looks like. I wonder when the last time was I did like a full face of makeup and talk through. So I got these two. This is a Lit and Glow Luminizer palette, and then this is what it looks like. Wait, this is what it looks like. Now this shade is just a little shimmery. It's not too shimmery, like as in for the face. I don't feel like I could use this as a highlighter, but this would be a really nice highlighter. So then I need the blush. So I got this blush duo. And these are the two shades. Now the hot pink one I feel like might just be a little too much right now, and I'm too scared to try that out, so I'm going to take this color right here. You see that's still a little pink. I didn't expect it to be so pink. Nice. Okay, so my camera actually just turned off and it didn't film me applying the highlighter, so I actually used this shade instead because it's a little more like golden tone. Yeah, a little bit of this happened. I'm going to use this lip liner that I got. It's earthy brown. I think this would be perfect for any kind of neutral lip that I'm trying to do. Like, look at this point though. Cute. Okay, it's a nice brown. I like it. I'm also liking how pointy it is. It's really pointy. I know I said this was going to be like super like natural and whatnot, but I think I might just fill in my whole lip with this. So I'm actually just going to take a clear gloss because I kind of want this lip to be glossy and my lips are super chapped, so the whole lip moisturizer thingy did not work. It's a MAC lip conditioner actually. I don't know, I just got it and it didn't seem to work, so I'm just going to take some lip gloss Okay, so this is the way that this look turned out. I really like it. I'm obsessed with the concealer. I'm definitely going to use the concealer more often. I feel like I haven't done like a sit down review in so long, so I don't even know anymore like what to mention and what to talk about. I completely forgot to set my face. So I'm going to use this setting spray and just quickly set my face. Smells good. I like the way that it sprays though. It doesn't spray like just like drops. It sprays like misty. I like that. So now we are officially done with this makeup look. Thank you so much to SISTAR Cosmetics, SISTAR Cosmetics. Thank you so much, SISTAR Cosmetics, for wanting to work with me on this video. I had a lot of fun sitting down here using your products and trying them out. If you guys have any specific question about any kind of product, just let them in the comments down below and I will ask for you guys, or research, or maybe even know the answer and let you guys know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a